Tired of manually filling out the same owner information on every single owner's notice concerning condition of property? Well, today I'm going to show you how to set up your Docusign template to autofill that owner information, saving you tons of time and eliminating those tedious errors. Let's dive in. First, log into your Docusign account and navigate to the Templates tab. If you don't already have an owner's notice template, you'll need to create one from scratch or upload a PDF. Once you have your owner's notice template open, locate the fields where you typically enter the owner's name, address, and other relevant information. Now, for each of these fields, we're going to assign a role. Click on a field like owner's name in the Properties panel on the right. You'll see the role drop-down. Select or create a role called Seller 1 for the primary owner. Repeat this process for all the owner-specific fields like owner's address, phone number, and so on, assigning them to the Seller 1 role. If you have a second owner, you can create a Seller 2 role and assign the appropriate fields to them. Now, here's the magic. When you use this template to create a new document, Docusign will prompt you to enter the information for Seller 1 and Seller 2 before you send it out. Once you fill it in once, that information will automatically populate all the corresponding fields throughout the entire document. That's it. You've successfully set up your owner's notice template to autofill owner information. This will save you time, reduce errors, and make your real estate transactions smoother. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Docusign tips and tricks.